Enforcement Directorate questioning Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal about the missing cabinet note, which was prepared by the Excise Department and placed before the Council of Ministers on the 28th of January 2021. Now, the said cabinet note contained the summary of the comments and the suggestions received from public stakeholders and 3 legal opinions as well. भवतोष, इसके बारे में भी जानकारी दीजिए। जो मिनट्स ऑफ द मीटिंग है शायद, और ये जो कैबिनेट नोट है, इसके ऊपर भी बताया जा रहा है कि आखिरकार कहां है, इसके ऊपर भी शायद पूछताछ हो चुकी है अरविंद केजरीवाल से।
As far as this note is concerned, this note was prepared on 28th January 2021 and it was to be placed before the Council of Ministers. Now, the expert committee, which consisted of opinion that was taken from the public stakeholders, which was basically in terms of various emails that they had received and also from 3 legal luminaries, that was to be placed before the Council of Ministers. But interestingly, Amita, the 3 legal opinions that they had received maintain that the existing legal policy should be in place and there was no need to abruptly change the excise policy and introduce a new excise policy. However, as soon as the cabinet note was introduced, Manish Sisodia was the one who, in fact, lashed out at then Excise Commissioner, and this has been mentioned in the court documents that Times Now has access. And this cabinet note was presented at the residence of Arvind Kejriwal at his camp office. Now, when investigation started in this case, both Enforcement Directorate as well as CBI had asked for this cabinet note. Now, the CBI was never handed over this cabinet note, saying that this cabinet note is missing, that it is untraceable. Enforcement Directorate also asked for this cabinet note, and this cabinet note was never given to Enforcement Directorate also. Right. When Excise Department official statement was taken, they also said that once the meeting got over, they never got this cabinet note. Nor the Excise Department, neither the Excise Department nor the Excise Department officials.
Right from the missing phones to the missing cabinet note, because according to sources, the cabinet note was neither handed over to the excise officials nor to the Excise Department. So exactly where did it go? ये शायद हो सकता है सवाल अरविंद केजरीवाल से पूछा